In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add alt text quickly to multiple images in PowerPoint. Alt text is a short description that tells people using screen readers what an image shows and why it matters. Adding it not only improves accessibility, it also makes your slides more professional and compliant with common standards. The good news is, once you know a few shortcuts, you can add alt text to many images in a fraction of the time. Start by clicking any image you want to describe. With the image selected, open the alt text pane. You can do this in two simple ways. Right-click the image and choose Edit Alt Text, or go to the ribbon, Open Format, and select Alt Text. This opens a panel on the side where you'll write your description. Keep each description concise. Usually 1 to 2 sentences is perfect. Focus on what someone needs to understand the slide if they cannot see the image. Mention the subject, any key action, and context that supports the message of your slide. For example, if an image shows a chart, describe the trend or takeaway rather than every minor detail. If it's a photograph that sets context, state who or what is shown and why it's relevant. To speed things up across multiple images, keep the alt text pane open and use the keyboard. Press Tab to move to the next image on the slide. PowerPoint will shift focus to the next object, and you can immediately type the alt text in the same pane. Repeat the tab and describe cycle to move quickly through all images without extra clicking. If your slide is crowded or you want precise control over the order, open the selection pane. The fastest way is to press Alt plus Shift plus I. This gives you a list of every object on the slide, so you can select images in sequence and add alt text without hunting around the canvas. If you prefer using the ribbon, you can also go to Home, then Select, and choose Selection pane. Click each image name in the list, confirm the alt text pane is still open, and enter the description. This method is especially helpful when images overlap or are small. When you're done, save your presentation. The alt text you entered is embedded with the images and will be read by screen readers, helping every viewer access your content. That's it. Select an image, open the alt text pane, write a clear 1 to 2 sentence description, use Tab or the selection pane to move efficiently through the rest, and save your work.